Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And if you want to achieve this colorful, easy breezy, beachy look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so now I'm using my MAC Poreless Prime and putting it across my face on the dabbing motions. I've already washed and moisturized my face, and this is the second step. And after this, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, as you can see as you'll see in a moment. So guys, my skin is behaving as of now, thank god for that, but I can see there's a little bit of redness on my cheeks, so I'm playing my foundation down. I don't want full coverage, very light sheer coverage I want, so that is exactly what I'm aiming for. So now I've taken the foundation at the back of my hand and I'm putting it with the help of my finger across my face, and then I'll be using my trusted beauty blender, which is a pack beauty blender, and dabbing my foundation in and blending it out. So guys, this is a very playful, cheerful kind of a look, but if you guys want a sultry, seductive, smoky eye, then do check out my other video, which I'll be linking on the bottom bar and somewhere on the screen, so don't forget to check that out. So now I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and concealing my usual areas, which is my nose, my under eyes, my eyelids, my cupid's bow, my lip area, my forehead between my brows, and my sweet little chin, as you can see right here. So guys, after placing the product, I'll be using my beauty blender and blending the product out. So I can never emphasize enough on how important blending is, because without that we will have a lot of crease lines and whatnot on our faces, which will not look good, trust me guys. So blend to get that flawless base, and I have a separate video for that, so I will be linking it on the screen or in the bottom bar. So now I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and placing a very little product because I just want to brighten my under eyes and those concealed areas. This is a shade lighter, as I've told you, and now I'm very lightly just blending all of the product out, as you can see here. So now I'm taking my Lakme compact and a fluffy brush and very lightly dusting the product over my face. Guys, I don't bake every day because it kind of dries you out. So now I am taking my cream highlighter, LA Girl cream highlighter, and putting it on the high points of my face, as you can see right here. And after that I will be making this duck face, and just below where I put my contour, I'll be placing this highlighter to make a stark contrast there. So now I'm taking my LA Girl contour stick and contouring my nose, as you can see, and then I'll be placing the product on the hollows of my cheek, between the two highlighted areas, and on my forehead. That's a must because I have a big forehead. And now I'm blending the product away, as you can see, without displacing the product too much. And now I'm using my flat top brush just to blend the harsh lines, because somehow my beauty blender did not cut it this time for me. I don't know why. So that is exactly what I'm doing, blending all the harsh lines so that there is no very evident contour there. And just blend and blend some more till you are kind of satisfied with what you have on your face and it looks pretty much natural, because that is important, guys. You don't want to have a clown face or something like that, now do you? Of course not. And oof, I forgot to contour my jawline. I talk so much, I forgot my jawline, guys. Anyway, so I'm doing that very quickly here. Guys, something is seriously off with me. I also forgot to put some lip balm, so I'm doing it very quickly here. And if you find my voice a little croaky, it's because I have cold, so please bear with me. So now I am taking my MAC blush and putting my blush and bringing some color back to my face. But I think my blush is also not working properly. This is the second attempt to get some color on my face and still not happy, and going in the third time once again, still not happy, guys. still not happy. What is wrong? I've gone 3 times. Three. Okay, the fourth time. I don't know what is there with this MAC blush. It's barely there, guys. Barely. Anyways, so we'll make do with what we have, and now I'm using my Colossal Kajal and placing it on my lower waterline, and I will be tightlining my eyes because guys, that is a really important step. It makes all the bloody difference required. So that is exactly what I'm doing here, as you guys can see. And I'm just flicking my hair because I'm weird that ways. I do that a lot. And tightlining my eyes. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper and very quickly just doing my brows. And guys, if you want to see a detailed video on how to do your brows, just mention in the comment section and your wish will be my command. So now I'm taking my Lakme Glide On Eye Color in the shade Aqua Marine and placing it on my upper lash line. You don't need to be like really precise because we are going to thicken it out and blend it for that pop of color. It's a beautiful shade, guys. As you can see, now I have kind of thickened it to the halfway, maybe a little less than that on my lid, and now I'm very lightly and gently just blending it out with my fingers itself. And I think fingers do a pretty good job with such eye colors. So guys, as I was saying, it's a beautiful color, and it gives you that pop of color on your eye that can act as a base for your other shadows. So now I'm taking this UK Beauty palette and using this beautiful purple shade and mixing it with this deep blue shade and putting it on my outer V and in my crease, as you can see right here. The pigmentation is pretty okay, not that good, not that bad, so you can definitely work through this palette, guys. So now I'm doing exactly the same thing on my other eye because that is what we generally do. And just blending these colors out so there is no harsh lines there, and blend. And if you think the blending is complete, your shadows are completely blended, you're wrong. Blend some more. So now I'm taking that Oriflame palette once again and taking that light blue shade and placing it just above my crease so that it gives me a beautiful gradient effect, and it will work perfectly as my transition shade. So now I'm taking that deep purplish blue shade and placing it very carefully on my outer edges of my outer V and making a cone kind of a shape and enhancing my outer V, as you can see right here. So guys, this step is also important to give a very beautiful smoky and bluey kind of an effect, if that makes any sense. And now I'm just blending it out. So guys, blending is the key here. You definitely need to take your time out and blend it well. So now I'm taking this beautiful bluish shade and placing it, bluish purple shade to be honest, and placing it on my lids. As you can see, I am packing the color there on the highest point of my lids, and then again I'm blending it out. So guys, I'm making sure that there are no sharp edges, there's no all the colors kind of gel into each other seamlessly. And then I am also taking that deep blue shade and dragging it down my lash line. Honestly guys, this little step makes your whole look so complete. Your whole eye and your face makeup looks so put together that you can't just do without that. There was a time when I was not doing this, and now if I look back and I honestly feel so shocked. But that's how you learn, guys. That's totally okay. So now I'm once again just blending everything out so that there is no contrasting lines or anything. Now I'm taking that beautiful highlighter shade from my Oriflame palette and putting it on the highest part of my eyebrows and my inner corner, just to open up my eyes and give it a just a little glow, guys. So that is exactly what I'm doing here with my Bare Minerals brush. So now I'm going with my one of my favorite, my mascara, Maybelline Falsies, and just putting on the mascara. There is no rocket science to that. Well, actually, there is a little trick. So I would be covering it in some video. And if you guys want to actually learn about this, how to place mascara properly, you can definitely mention that in the comment section. And now I'm taking my highlighter, Colourpop highlighter, and just highlighting the highest points of my face and giving it a perfect glow. And then I'm using my MAC lipstick in the shade, what shade it was? I am totally skipping the shade here. Oh, yeah, it was Relentlessly Red. And now I'm just shamelessly posing for you guys in the camera. So, guys, this is how I achieved the whole look. So, if you like my look, then please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you guys know when I upload next and you don't miss anything. And thanks for watching, guys.